Hi everybody. In the previous session, we have learnt about a quadratic expression and how to solve quadratic equations. Now going about for few more problems, solve the following equations. The first one is root 3x square plus 10x minus 8 root 3 equal to 0. We are going to factorize this equation. For factorization, you always have to start with multiplying the coefficient of x square. It is root 3 and the constant term minus 8 root 3. So, root 3 into minus 8 root 3. So, this is equal to minus 8 into root 3 into root 3, which is 3. Minus 8 into 3 is minus 24. Okay. Now, I have to express 24 as factors of some two numbers which will give me 10. So, 24. You can write it as 6 into 4 or 12 into 2. Now here I have to get my middle term as 10x. So I am writing this as 12 minus 2 because 12 minus 2 will give me plus 10. If I take this as minus 12 into 2, I will get it as minus 12 plus 2, which is minus 10. My requirement is 12 minus 2. So I am taking minus 24 as 12 minus 2, which will give me plus 10. 12 into minus 2, which is giving me minus 24. These two parameters have to be checked each time you try to factorize the equations. Okay. So I am writing this as root 3x square plus 12x minus 2x minus 8 root 3 equal to 0. So from these two numbers, at present I don't find anything common here, but this can be written as 12 can be expressed as 4 into 3 into x minus 2x minus 8 root 3 equal to 0. 3 I am expressing as 4 into root 3 whole square into x, so that I can take root 3 common, minus 2x minus 8 root 3 equal to 0. Now from these two terms you can observe we can take root 3 and x as common term. So root 3 into x. So I have taken root 3 and x as common. I am left with x plus 4. 1 root 3 I have taken common. So root 3 x also I have taken as common. So minus. From these two terms I am taking minus 2 common. So minus 2 into x. Now I have taken minus sign common. So minus here will become plus. From 8 I have taken 2 common. We know 2 into 4 will give you 8. And root 3 is here equal to 0. So I am taking x plus 4 root 3 common from these two terms. So I am left with root 3x minus 2 equal to 0. So which means x plus 4 root 3 equal to 0 or root 3x minus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 4 root 3 and here root 3x equal to 2, which is x equal to 2 by root 3. Therefore, solution set of the given equation is x equal to minus 4 root 3 comma 2 by root 3. These two values will satisfy x in the given equation. Next, we'll take up another problem. 6 root 5 x square minus 9x minus 3 root 5 equal to 0. Now, we already know there are two methods. Follow whichever method you are convenient with. It need not be only factorization. You can also use the formula x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. That will be actually easy for you to factorize, find the values of x. Here I am going with factorization. So here coefficient of x square is 6 root 5 and constant is minus 3 root 5. So 6 root 5 into minus 3 root 5. 6 into minus 3 minus 18 into root 5 into root 5, which is 5. Now all of us know minus 18 into 5 is minus 90. But I have to find factors so that I can split my middle term as minus 9x. So instead of multiplying, writing it as a complete bigger number, I am trying to find factors now. So minus 9 into 2 into 5. 18 I am writing as minus 9 into 2. 9 can be again written as minus 3 into 3 into 2 into 5. Now these are the numbers that I have with. I have to obtain 9. So use combinations here. 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 5 is 15. And 15 minus 6 is going to give me 9. So here minus 3 into 5 minus 15 into 9. But this will give me, minus 3 into 5 is minus 15 and 3 into 2 is 6. So minus 15 plus 6 is giving me minus 9. And minus 15 into 6 will be conveniently getting minus 90. So my factors, I'll be splitting my middle term minus 9x as minus 15x plus 6x. So 6 root 5 x square minus 15x plus 6x minus 3 root 5 equal to 0. So again I have to get root 5 common. So 15 I am writing as 3 into 5 into x plus 6x minus 3 root 5 equal to 0. 6 root 5 x square minus 3 into 5 we are writing as root 5 whole square into x plus 6x minus 3 root 5 equal to 0. Now from these two terms I can take 3 root 5 and x common, because 3 2's is 6, root 5 is there in both the terms and also x is there in both the terms. And in these two terms I can take 3 common, because 3 into 2 is 6. So from first two terms taking through 3 root 5 as common, 3 root 5 x as common, here I am left with 2x minus 3 we have taken common, root 5 we have taken common, so another root 5, x also we have taken as common. Now from these two terms I am taking 3 as common. We know 3 into 2, so 2x minus root 5 equal to 0. So from these two taking this common, 2x minus root 5 into 3 root 5x plus 3 equal to 0. So 2x minus root 5 equal to 0, or 3 root 5x plus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to root 5 by 2, or x equal to minus 3 by 3 root 5, which is equal to minus 1 by root 5. Therefore solution set is x equal to minus 1 by root 5 comma root 5 by 2. Next, form quadratic equations whose roots are, first one 7 plus or minus 2 root 5. Now we know to form a quadratic equation when roots are given, the formula is x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. That means x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of the roots equal to 0. Here given problem is 7 plus or minus 2 root 5. These are the roots of the given quadratic equation and we have to form the roots. So all of us know quadratic equation roots are usually represented as alpha and beta. So here I am taking alpha equal to 7 plus 2 root 5 and beta equal to 7 minus 2 root 5. So sum of the roots equal to alpha plus beta, which is equal to 7 plus 2 root 5 plus 7 minus 2 root 5. So 2 root 5 plus 2 root 5 minus 2 root 5 gets cancelled. 7 plus 7, which is equal to 14. Product of roots alpha into beta equal to 7 plus 2 root 5 into 7 minus 2 root 5. This is in the form a plus b into a minus b. We know a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So this is equal to a square 7 whole square minus 2 root 5 whole square. 7 whole square is 49 minus 2 square is 4. Root 5 whole square is 5. So 4 into 5 is 20. So 49 minus 20, which is equal to 29. So we have sum and product of the roots. So required quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0, which is x square minus 14x plus 29 equal to 0. So this is the required quadratic equation. Now next one, form quadratic equation whose roots are minus 3 plus or minus 5i. Okay, here also we will take alpha equal to minus 3 plus 5i and beta equal to minus 3 minus 5i. So sum of the roots alpha plus beta equal to minus 3 plus 5i plus, that means minus 3 minus 5i. So here minus 3 plus 5i minus 3 minus 5i. So plus 5i minus 5i gets cancelled. Minus 3 minus 3, which is equal to minus 6. Product of the roots alpha into beta equal to minus 3 plus 5i into minus 3 minus 5i. So again this is also in the form a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So here minus 3 whole square minus 5i whole square. Minus 3 whole square is 9. 5 square is 25. Here we have an iota. So I square. And we know square root of minus 1 equal to I. Squaring on both sides, minus 1 equal to I square. So instead of I square, I can write minus 1. So 9 minus 25 into minus 1, which is 9 plus 25, which is equal to 34. So required quadratic equation is x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. So x square minus of minus 6 into x plus 34 equal to 0. So x square plus 6x plus 34 equal to 0 is a quadratic equation which has roots minus 3 plus or minus 5i. Okay, all of you are following? Following, girls? Okay, let's do another problem. Now here the given roots are p minus q by p plus q and minus p plus q by p minus q. Now here alpha equal to p minus q by p plus q, beta equal to minus p plus q by p minus q. Sum of the roots alpha plus beta equal to p minus q by p plus q plus, but here we have a minus sign, so minus p plus q by p minus q. Taking LCM, here denominators are p plus q and p minus q, so LCM is p plus q into p minus q. So here denominator is p plus q, so multiplying numerator p minus q with p minus q, that means p minus q into p minus q gives me p minus q whole square, and your denominator is p minus q, so I am multiplying it with p plus q, so p plus q into p plus q, so p plus q whole square. Okay, so expanding p minus q whole square, p square plus q square minus 2pq, and expanding p plus q whole square, so p square plus q square plus 2pq by p plus q into p minus q is p square minus q square. So p square plus q square minus 2pq minus sign, if you multiply with the minus sign by opening the brackets, we get minus p square minus q square minus 2pq by p square minus q square. So p square q square gets cancelled. We are left with minus 2pq minus 2pq, which is equal to minus 4pq by p square minus q square. Now product of the roots alpha into beta equal to p minus q by p plus q into p plus q by p minus q. Here these two get cancelled, these two get cancelled, so alpha into beta is minus 1. So required quadratic equation is x square minus of alpha plus beta, which is minus 4pq by p square minus q square into x, plus alpha into beta, which is minus 1, equal to 0. Taking LCM, p square minus q square into x square plus 4pqx minus of p square minus q square equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation formed with roots p minus q by p plus q and minus p plus q by p minus q. Okay. Have a nice day all of you. Learn the problems nicely.